Good day, everyone. Today we're honored to welcome Miss Patricia Espiritu, an experienced marketing professional with deep understanding into this industry. But before Miss Patricia introduces herself, let me first introduce my group. In purpose of communication, we are group 2. Take note, this meeting will also be recorded but used for educational purposes only. Good day po, Miss Patricia. Could you please introduce yourself to us?
Good morning, guys. So, I'm Patricia Espiritu, and you guys can call me Pat. I graduated last year, 2019, at Novatos Polytechnic College, and I took up Bachelor in Business Administration major in Marketing Management.
Thank you for the introduction po, Ms. Patricia. We're excited to learn more from you po for marketing career. For our first question that we'd like to know from you is, what inspired you to pursue a career in marketing and what keeps you motivated?
Actually kasi yung course na marketing, hindi ko talaga siya gusto. Pero since yung NTC yung pinakamalapit na school, ayoko naman mag-teacher. So yung marketing yung pinili ko. Pero siguro yung mas nag-continue and nag-motivate sa akin is yung nung second year college ako, nag-start ako mag-online selling ng gadgets. And sa pagbebenta pala, hindi lang siya basta pagbebenta. May mga marketing tools tayo na need i-consider. And tingin ko, yun yung mas nag-motivate sa akin na i-pursue yung career ko na marketing kasi mas gusto ko siya matutunan.
Thank you for that insight, Ms. Patricia. For our next question, I'd like to invite my groupmate, Ms. Oscaran, to take.
Hello po, good morning. Our second question po, is there any specific achievement or milestone in the marketing career that makes you feel proud and allows you to say that I made it? If yes po, what is it po?
For me, achievement or milestone, siguro yung at the age of 24, nakabili ako ng sasakyan for my family. Kasi hindi naman ganang naging madali yung pag-iipon. And kasama yung marketing doon kasi yun yung way ko para mabili yun.
Next question po, provided Mr. Shimalin.
What are some of the unique perks or benefits you enjoy in your life, in your role?
High earning potential. Kasi nandyan talaga yung pera din eh. Basta sisipagan mo lang lalo sa sales. At saka isa pa is yung variety of career paths. Kasi hindi lang naman, di ba kapag kumuha ka ng marketing, hindi lang naman basta marketing yung pwede mong maging trabaho. Marami din talaga. So yun. Variety of career paths and high earning potential.
Next question is Patricia.
Professional, do you think basic skills like creativity, adaptability, and analytics are really important and why?
Yes, because I think being creative and adapting new trends in using analytics data can help company to improve their ROI and their income as well.
Thank you so much. Ms. Diaz, for next question.
In the marketing career, what is the most challenging problem you face and how can you handle or address it?
For me, competition. Kasi nowadays, sobrang laki ng competition sa market. So, yung kailangan mong gawin is subaybay ka talaga sa latest trend. So, pwede mong gamitin yung mga social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and lalo ngayon yung TikTok.
As a marketing professional with experience working with different people in an organization or piece, do you think that behavior and attitude are really important? If yes, then why?
Sobra siyang importante yung attitude and behavior. Kasi kung okay yung pinapakita mo sa mga trabaho mo, sa mga bills mo, magiging okay din yung trato nila sa'yo. So, pagpasok mo sa trabaho, magaan lang yung parang vibe eh. So, mas nakaka-help yun para mas gumaan yung trabaho mo kasi mas nalilesen yung stress. So, makakapag-focus ka sa ginagawa mo.
Thank you. For our last question, what are the tips or advice that you can give to us as a marketing students or any college that taking business courses?
For me, basta mag-enjoy lang kayo, believe in yourself, and huwag masyado maging seryoso. Kasi nakaya nga namin ng mga nakalipas na batch. So, syempre kayo din. Yun lang.
Thank you so much for taking the time to meet with us po. We learn a lot po from your experience, for your knowledge that you shared to us po. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much po.